Good morning, children. Today we will solve our exercise 11.3, problem number 4. Here you given that if S is a point in the exterior of triangle PQR, then show that 2 into SP plus SQ plus SR is greater than PQ plus QR plus PR. Here you have to given a figure, this type of figure. This type of figure you have given there, and by dot dot here you have given that by dot dot this point will be S, and also this given that P Q, and this is R point. Okay. Here you have given that we have to prove that 2 into SP plus SQ plus SR is greater than PQ plus QR plus PR. We have to prove this, okay, by this figure. So here you have given that hint here, and by hint you have to solve it, and this is the method by which you solve it. Okay. So first of all, in triangle PQS in triangle PQS we get from here, in triangle PQS we have to find SP plus SQ plus SR is greater than PQ plus QR plus PR. So here PQ, here we find PQ. So from here we get PS plus SQ is greater than PQ. Okay. Equation number first. Now again, in triangle RQS, we get from here RQS. So QR we get here. So in RQS, SR plus SQ is greater than PR. Sorry, QR. That is question number second. Again, in triangle SPR, we have to find here. Now we have PQ, QR, PR. We have to find here PR. So SR, SP plus SR is greater than always PR. Is greater than PR. Okay. This is question number third. So from these equations we get by adding equation number first, second and third, we get PS plus SQ plus SR plus SQ plus SR plus SQ plus SP plus SR is greater than PQ plus QR plus PR. PQ plus QR plus PR. So from here we find that PS plus PS 2PS, SQ plus SQ 2SQ plus SQ, SR plus SR plus 2 SR, so SR. And also we have to common here, we take here common 2 is greater than PQ plus QR plus PR. Okay? So from here you find that PS plus SQ plus SR is always greater than half of. So we have to prove always P2 into PS plus SQ plus SR is greater than PQ plus QR plus PS. So this is already proved. Now we should not write this. Okay, this is our solution. This is our solution. So this is our solution. Again, here given that problem number 5. In problem number 5 given that an equilateral triangle ABC of side 7 cm is drawn. Is it possible to construct an isosceles triangle DCB on the other side of BC if the equal sides DC and DB are of length 3.5 cm each? Give reasons. So first of all, here we draw an equilateral triangle. You also know the property of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which the three sides of the triangle are same. Okay? So this is equilateral triangle ABC. Here is said that is it possible to construct an isosceles triangle DCB? So here A, B, C. Now we have to construct DCB on the other side of BC. On the other side of BC, if the equal sides BC and DB are of length 3.5 cm each. So this is 7 cm. This is also 7 cm, and this is also 7 cm each. We have to draw length DC and DB. From here, DC and DB, we have to take point D, C and DB. So 3.5 cm each. Give reasons. It is not possible because here you can see that the sum of two sides always or must be greater than the three sides. So here you can see that 3.5 plus 3.5 is equal to 7, and this side is also 7 cm. So 7 is equal to 7 cm. So this is not possible. This is not possible to draw any other angle on the other side of the BC. To draw any other angle of the other side of BC because it coincides. It becomes so it is coincide. Okay, so it may be not possible. So this is the solution of this question. Again, you have to solve your problem number 6 by this method. And here given that last problem number 7. In problem number 7 is given that O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. So first of all, we have to draw a triangle. Named ABC. Okay. From here, A, B, C. So O is a point in the interior. Here we take a point O in the interior of the triangle. This type of figure you have to form. So prove that OA plus OB plus OC, OA plus OB plus OC. We have to prove that OA plus OB plus OC, OA plus OB plus OC is greater than half of AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, so we have to prove this. So from here we find that in triangle ABO, here you see that this is the triangle ABO. In triangle ABO we get OA plus OB is greater than AB. OA plus OB is greater than AB. That is question number first. Okay. In triangle BOC we get BO plus OC, or OB plus OC is greater than BC. Question number second. Again, in triangle AOC we get OC plus OA plus OC is greater than AC. That is question number third. By adding equation first, second and third, we get from here OA plus OB plus OC, OA plus OC, OA plus OB plus OB plus OC plus OA plus OC is greater than AB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC. So from here we get from here OA plus OA, 2OA plus OB plus OB, 2OB plus 2OC is greater than AB plus BC plus CA. From here we get from here, we take 2 common, OA plus OB plus OC, OA plus OB plus OC is greater than AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. So from here we find that OA plus OB plus OC is greater than 1/2 AB plus BC plus CA proved, which we have to prove. So this is the solution of the last equation, last problem. Now time is over, we stop our writing. Thank you children, and you have to also try to solve your next chapter on the Pythagoras property in a right angle triangle, and next day also we solved it. Now time is over. Thank you.